Back about 6 years ago, we got with CityWorks to implement a new software program since we had no software for asset management. The main goal was really for the future, so when people like myself are gone and other people, it continues on. Looking up plans for something, mapping mostly for infrastructure, you would have maps that tell you it's a 12-inch water main, your staff goes out there, digs it up, they bring all the 12-inch parts, find out it's an 8-inch water main. A lot of it was just legacy, people's knowledge of what they had from years, and when you lose that knowledge with it. So we needed a platform to help us get that together where you can bring a new personnel in and he could just pull it up the map and you get the right parts and everything. So in the beginning, we just wanted to make the GPS and GIS platform so that way we could have more accurate mapping. That was the initial thought process. And as we dove into it more, we realized that there was work order programming instead of putting a slip of paper and handing it out. The other part we realized is asset management with it, something that didn't exist too much in our city other than someone's head. It streamlines our operations a whole lot. It gives everybody an overview of what we're doing, what we have, what we've done, what yet we have to do. We now currently have an asset management plan that goes through the CityWorks, through the work order programming. It helps us plan for our capital improvements in the future. We do a running 5-year in our city now. We never used to have that. And it's a lot easier for myself. I make that budget for the public service department. A lot easier for myself to look into that and say, oh, we have some problems here. It's showing up a lot more often. My head was thinking, it's this area of town we need to put more money into, and then I realized through the work order program that no, we were actually having more problems. I just didn't know it until you see it in front of you. People think infrastructure is just what's on the ground or underground. Infrastructure is also software to do the infrastructural issues. People don't think that progressively usually in city government. If they start thinking that same way, you can see time saved, which is also money saved for the community. And if they could find a way to get somebody to buy in to help them purchase the startup, once you start something up, it's easy to keep billing for it or paying for it every year, like any other utility that you have at your house. But starting it is the hardest part.